And graduates, it is your turn to say thank you. I also want to take an opportunity to thank all of our staff and support team across many departments who have worked tirelessly to make it possible for us to gather here today under these unique conditions. Please join me in a round of applause for this incredible team. And now, we would like to offer one last tribute to the class of 2021. Afterwards, please remain in your seats until the platform party exits, and then graduates will exit the field to their left or right to join your families on the concourse level. Now turn your attention to the video boards one last time for performances by the UNC Cliffhangers, Harmonics, and the Tar Heel Marching Band. Enjoy.
Can't you just feel the moonshine? And ain't it just like a friend of mine to hit me from behind? Yes, I'm gone to Carolina in my mind.
Carrying Jesus out of the sun, you best walk her away and watch it shine. Watch her watch the morning come. Silver tear appearing now, and I'm crying, and I'm gone to Carolina in my mind. They know what's mine, that love's the finest thing around. She whispers something soft and kind. Hey, baby, the sky's on fire, and I'm dying. 'Cause I'm gone to Carolina in my mind. In my mind, I'm gone to Carolina. Can't you see the sunshine? Can't you just feel the moonshine? Painted just like a friend of mine to hit me from behind. Yes, I'm gone to Carolina.
Dark inside, and late last night, I think I might have heard the highway calling, and beasts in flight and dogs that bite. Signs might be open, say I'm going, I'm gone to Carolina in my mind. With a whole host of others standing around me, and still I'm on the dark side of the moon. And it seems like it goes on like this forever, and you must forgive me if I'm been gone to Carolina in my mind.
In my mind, I'm gone to Carolina. Can't you see the sunshine?